Welcome. In this quick demo, we'll show you how to generate a complete book from a pre-written outline. We'll start here on the Profile Settings page. First, we'll navigate over to the Your Books dashboard. To start a new project, we'll click Create New Book. This brings us to the Your Outlines page because every new book generation begins with a solid, structured outline. We'll select our pre-written outline on Growing Potatoes. As you can see, the details and chapter structure are already laid out. With the outline selected, we simply click Generate Book to get started. This opens the Generation Settings panel, where we can customize the final output. The book title and genre are automatically populated from our outline. We can adjust the reading level to match our target audience. We'll set this to Adult. Since this is a gardening guide, we'll set the content type to non-fiction. The platform offers a range of advanced controls, including language, system prompts, and more, to precisely guide the AI's writing style. We'll keep the target word count at 10,000 words for this book. Next, we can choose the best AI model for the job. Let's select GPT-4o Mini for this generation. We can even adjust the AI's creativity with the temperature slider. We'll set it for a good balance of consistency and creative flair. Once everything is set, we click Create Book. A notification confirms the job is started, and we're taken to the Book Generation Jobs page to track the progress. Our new book appears at the top of the list, marked as In Progress, where we can monitor its status chapter by chapter. Let's click View Book on the book we just generated. The progress bar shows that all 10 chapters were created successfully. This takes us to the book's main page. We can see a complete summary, including a final status of completed and a total word count of 9,500 words, which is 95% of our target. And scrolling down, you can see all 10 chapters are now available and ready for review. The platform gives you granular control. If you're not happy with a specific chapter, you can regenerate it. You can also click Edit Facts to ensure all the information within that chapter is accurate, which is crucial for nonfiction content. Once you're satisfied with the content, you can download the entire book. A single click on Download Book prepares the file for you. The book is instantly downloaded as a document, ready for editing, formatting, and publishing. You also have full control over managing your projects. If you need to remove a book, simply click Delete. A confirmation window appears to prevent any accidental deletions. We'll cancel this for now. Finally, let's head back to the main Your Books dashboard. From this central dashboard, you can easily access all your books. Selecting a book instantly shows its details and a complete list of its chapters, giving you a quick and organized overview of all your work. And that's how you go from generation to a fully completed downloadable manuscript, all within one seamless platform.